From. I come from Brazil. I come from Brazil. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? He works from 9 to 5:30. He works from 9 to 5:30. Till. He will wait till noon. He will wait till noon. Wait here till I return. Wait here till I return. Please stay here till I get back. Please stay here till I get back. Until. Let's wait until Monday. Let's wait until Monday. I will love you until I die. I will love you until I die. Wait until it stops raining. Wait until it stops raining. With. I agree with you. I agree with you. Go with her. Go with her. Will you go with us? Will you go with us? Without. I can do without it. I can do without it. Don't eat without me. Don't eat without me. You can't live without water. You can't live without water. On behalf of. I will go on behalf of my dad. I will go on behalf of my dad. To. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Give it to him. Give it to him. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. Next to. I am next to your office. I am next to your office. As far as. As far as I can see. As far as I can see. As far. As for me, it should be like that. As for me, it should be like that. Since. I have been here since 2:30. I have been here since 2:30. It has been raining since morning. It has been raining since morning. I have been living here since January. I have been living here since January. Through. Don't go through the lobby. Don't go through the lobby. I entered through the window. I entered through the window. Towards. Come towards me. Come towards me. Come towards my office. Come towards my office. He is walking towards the station. He is walking towards the station. Worth. It's worth $300. It's worth $300. This story is worth reading. This story is worth reading. Do you think it's worth something? Do you think it's worth something? Within. Come back within a month. Come back within a month. I will be back within an hour. I will be back within an hour. Within 2 hours, I reached Mumbai. Within 2 hours, I reached Mumbai. As well as. A teacher should entertain as well as teach. A teacher should entertain as well as teach. He shares my problems as well as my joys. He shares my problems as well as my joys. Because of. I was late because of him. I was late because of him. Close to. I am close to the hospital. I am close to the hospital. Due to. I am in a hurry due to my work. I am in a hurry due to my work. According to. According to my office. According to my office. In front of. He lives in front of the bank. He lives in front of the bank. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.